Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chicken spring rolls with homemade chicken pastries. So let's see how to make chicken spring rolls. First we're gonna prepare inside chicken filling. For that let's heat up the pan and add some oil in it. When oil is heated, add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Saute it for a while. On top add 1 finely chopped onion. Saute it with garlic. Then add 1 carrot. This long and thin it should be. Give it a good mix. On top add cabbage. Give a nice stir to all these veggies. We are cooking all these veggies on high flame because we don't want to keep any moisture in it. So make sure you keep on stirring it. On top I'm adding boiled shredded chicken. Mix this chicken with all other veggies. Season it with some black pepper powder, salt. Here I am adding half Maggi seasoning cube, but that's optional, you can skip it if you don't want. Then some chili flakes. Then add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. And then keep on stirring until it is nice and dry. Now it's time to turn off the heat. You can see it is nice and dry. There is no moist in it. So let it cool down. Till that time we can prepare for spring roll pastry. For making pastry I have taken here 1 small bowl of plain flour. Add little salt in it. Then add some water in it, but don't add too much water in one go. And then nicely mix it. Add water gradually as per the need. And then keep on mixing until it turns into smooth batter. Then crack 1 egg in it. Mix it very well. The batter looks still thick, so let's add little bit water in it. And that's the perfect consistency. Now heat the pan and add some oil in it and spread it all over the pan. Then take a spoonful of batter and spread it over the pan, just like this. When you are pouring the batter on the pan, make sure the heating is low, otherwise it is difficult to spread it on the pan. Once it is dry on top and the edges are clear, you can take it out. Apply water all over the edge. Then put spoonful of chicken filling on top. Fold it from both the sides. And then roll it as I am showing it here. As we have applied water on the edges, you can see it is nicely stuck at the end. And now we are going to fry it. So take some oil in a pan for frying. And once oil is heated, add the spring rolls in it for frying. Fry all the spring rolls on medium heat. And you can increase the heat if it is needed. After 2 minutes, turn it for frying from other side. Let's check it how it is fried from other side. Yeah, that's done perfectly, so we can take it out now.
Oh wow, it's so yummy. You do try your hands on this recipe. Give us a big thumbs up and share with others, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.